Welcome to the Sunshine State. The VA loan is one of the most powerful financial tools in real estate, and in 2026, Florida's unique perks make it even more valuable for veterans. Let's break down your 2026 Florida VA loan guide. The VA loan is a game changer with zero down payment, unlike conventional loans. It also means no private mortgage insurance, saving you a monthly fee. Government-backed guarantees also result in lower interest rates. The three core advantages are keeping your savings intact with zero down. You save every month with no PMI and a lower rate. Finally, pre-approved VA buyers can compete well in a fast market, and Florida sellers recognize this. Your golden ticket is the Certificate of Eligibility, or COE, which proves your right to use the VA benefit. It is required to begin the loan process. The COE is available to active duty service members, veterans, and surviving spouses. The VA's role is to issue your COE, set program guidelines, and guarantee part of the loan without an official minimum credit score. The lender's role is to fund the loan, often requiring a credit score around 620. Florida's secret weapon is its property tax benefits. The property tax exemptions here are among the best in the nation. This little-known benefit can save you thousands of dollars every year. For veterans with a 10% or more service-connected disability, you receive a $5,000 exemption. For those with a 100% permanent and total disability, you may receive a full property tax exemption, meaning $0 in ad valorem property taxes. For 100% permanent and total disabled veterans in Florida, the ad valorem property tax exemption is one of the most extraordinary financial benefits available. This can feel like a free mortgage payment every month on a $500,000 home. VA loans mean no money down, but they are not no money at all. Here is what you still pay and what to budget for when buying in Florida. Florida closing costs are typically 3% to 5% of the loan amount, covering appraisal fees, title insurance, and state and local taxes. Additionally, the VA funding fee is a one-time fee to sustain the VA program. The VA funding fee is 2.15% for first-time users and 3.3% for repeat users. Importantly, it is waived entirely for disability recipients with any VA disability compensation. This waiver can save you thousands of dollars up front. Florida's climate creates unique considerations for VA appraisers regarding property requirements. Every home must meet VA minimum property requirements to ensure it is safe, sound, and sanitary before the loan is funded. The two big Florida minimum property requirement watchouts are wood-destroying insects and roof condition. A WDI inspection is usually required, and the roof must have at least 2 to 3 years of useful life remaining before funding. You can rent out your VA home after moving in first, which requires primary residency within 60 days of closing. Once you live there a year, you meet the residency requirement. Then, you can convert it to a rental property and grow your portfolio. The VA loan is a long-term wealth-building strategy. Each relocation is an opportunity to acquire another property, rent the previous one, and grow a real estate portfolio while you serve. This checklist summarizes the key steps for navigating the Florida VA loan process. Start by obtaining your Certificate of Eligibility, check your disability rating, find a VA-savvy Florida realtor, and get pre-approved. To find the right Florida lender, look for VA specialists who may work with lower credit scores. Shop multiple lenders for the best rate, and ask about seller concessions to minimize your out-of-pocket costs. Comparing VA and conventional loans, VA offers 0% down and no private mortgage insurance. VA loans generally offer lower interest rates, and Florida provides significant property tax perks for eligible veterans, which conventional loans do not. Florida is an exceptional place to call home, offering no state income tax, year-round sunshine, and miles of coastline. For veterans, combining VA benefits with Florida-specific exemptions creates an extraordinary homeownership opportunity. Remember these key numbers. A 0% down payment is required for eligible veterans. You can get a $5,000 tax exemption for a 10% or more service-connected disability. You have 60 days to move in after closing, and the funding fee is $0 for VA disability recipients. You've earned this benefit. Property tax exemptions and local standards can vary by county, so a local VA specialist is essential. Also, make sure you choose a realtor with specific VA experience for a smooth closing process. I specialize in helping veterans navigate Florida's real estate market. From obtaining your COE to getting your keys, I am here to ensure you utilize every benefit you've earned. Contact me to start your homeownership journey.